We spend so much time creating the space we live in. We look for the perfect chair that offers the right support. We appreciate the craftsmanship, the structure, and the balance. But how often do we apply that same standard to our own bodies? Yoga is essentially the architecture of the human form. It is about understanding your foundation. When we practice with clear shape alignment, we are rebuilding our posture from the ground up, so that just like a beautifully crafted piece of furniture, the body is designed to last a lifetime.